Hello, my name is Adam. This is Nika.
Hi guys!
Yeah, and I welcome you to our new school. This is the 9th grade classroom, which I'm part of. This is how learning is done. This is one of the other classrooms in which the other kids learn. It's kind of fun being here because the teachers have to come to us and we can copy our homework. This is our so-called schoolyard. To my left, you can see our school cafeteria, which is actually a pub called Chatters. It's where me and my friends think about school, yeah. Behind me is the church, and that is the building where the first grade classrooms are. I guess this is really all I had to show you. Goodbye for now. Nika, I think it's your turn.
And yes, I will show you our real school during reconstruction. We already have new windows and a new roof, but there are still many things to be done. The part where the gym is already finished on the outside, on the inside. And this is the kindergarten, and it's in the same building as the school. On the playfield there are swings, a slide, a little house where the children play, and sometimes a This is our playfield. We play basketball, football, handball here, many other sports and less serious activities like what? This is the beach volleyball court where some kids make sand castles. Such an art, I know. We do athletics here, and this is Sarah with her long jump. This is all for me, and here are Sarah and Hansa.
Hi, I'm Sarah and I'm going to talk about our little village Dramlje.
And I am Alexander and I am going to talk about here called Ursula.
This is the only shop we have. We didn't have a market for a long time. We are happy. My mother works here. Almost every village in Slovenia has a fire station, and this is ours. It was built in 1928. A lot of children in Slovenia are firefighters. Fire! We also have a post office, hairdresser, cemetery, cafe, and bistro.
There are a lot of vineyards on the south side. Our country has great wines. A lot of farmers produce them. Ursula is a hill with altitude of 461 meters. There's a church on the top that's all lit up at night. It is dedicated to Saint Ursula. It was built in 16th century. There's a great view from Ursula. You can see a big part of our region from here. Ursula is very popular among hikers, so we have a cottage here, where they can rest and relax and have something to eat or drink. I also like to drink a juice for.
We hope you like this short film about Dramlje.
Thanks for watching.
Bye!